Welcome, budget travelers. Today, we're uncovering the top 20 best places to visit in the United States without breaking the bank. From bustling cities to serene natural wonders, these destinations offer unforgettable experiences at affordable prices. Let's get started. Number 20, Savannah, Georgia. Known for its charming streets, historic homes, and beautiful parks, Savannah offers a taste of Southern hospitality. Enjoy free walking tours, explore Forsyth Park, and take in the stunning architecture. At number 19, we have Austin, Texas. This vibrant city is famous for its live music scene, food trucks, and outdoor activities. Visit the Texas State Capitol, take a dip in Barton Springs Pool, and catch a free concert at Zilker Park. Number 18, Nashville, Tennessee. The Music City is a haven for country music lovers and budget travelers alike. Explore the honky-tonks on Broadway, visit the Country Music Hall of Fame, and stroll through Centennial Park. Coming in at 17, Asheville, North Carolina. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, Asheville is known for its vibrant art scene and stunning landscapes. Hike the scenic trails, visit the many art galleries, and enjoy the local craft beer. Number 16, Portland, Oregon. This quirky city offers a mix of outdoor adventures and cultural experiences. Explore the beautiful parks, visit Powell's City of Books, and enjoy the many food carts for a taste of local cuisine. At number 15, San Antonio, Texas. Discover the rich history and vibrant culture of this city. Walk along the famous Riverwalk. Visit the Alamo, and explore the bustling Market Square. Number 14, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Known for its unique southwestern charm, Albuquerque offers affordable attractions like the Petroglyph National Monument, Old Town Albuquerque, and the annual Balloon Fiesta. Coming in at 13, Charleston, South Carolina. This historic city is known for its well-preserved architecture and beautiful coastal views. Stroll along King Street, visit the Battery, and explore the Waterfront Park. Number 12, Denver, Colorado. The Mile High City offers a range of budget-friendly activities, from exploring the Denver Art Museum to hiking in nearby Red Rocks Park. Enjoy the city's vibrant neighborhoods and outdoor adventures. At number 11, Tampa, Florida. With its beautiful beaches and affordable attractions, Tampa is a great destination for budget travelers. Visit the Tampa Riverwalk, explore Ybor City, and relax on the sandy shores. Number 10, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Rich in history and culture, Philadelphia offers many free or low-cost attractions. Visit the Liberty Bell, explore Independence Hall, and wander through Reading Terminal Market. Coming in at 9, Salt Lake City, Utah. Surrounded by stunning natural beauty, this city offers outdoor adventures and affordable attractions. Visit Temple Square, explore the nearby canyons, and enjoy the local farmers market. Number 8, Kansas City, Missouri. Known for its jazz music and barbecue, Kansas City offers a range of budget-friendly activities. Visit the Nelson-Atkins Museum of Art, explore the historic 18th and Vine District, and enjoy the city's vibrant music scene. At number 7, New Orleans, Louisiana. This lively city is famous for its music, food, and festivals. Explore the French Quarter, enjoy live jazz on Frenchman Street, and savor delicious beignets at Café du Monde. Number 6, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Known for its beautiful parks and vibrant art scene, Minneapolis offers plenty of budget-friendly activities. Visit the Minneapolis Institute of Art, explore Minnehaha Park, and take a walk around the chain of lakes. Coming in at 5, Memphis, Tennessee. The home of blues and rock and roll, Memphis offers a rich musical history and affordable attractions. Visit Beale Street, explore the National Civil Rights Museum, and enjoy live music at local venues. Number 4, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This charming city is known for its unique architecture and vibrant art scene. Explore the historic plaza, visit the Georgia O'Keeffe Museum, and wander through the many art galleries. At number 3, St. Louis, Missouri. This city offers a range of free attractions, including the St. Louis Zoo, the Missouri History Museum, and the Gateway Arch. Enjoy the city's parks and vibrant neighborhoods. Number 2, Nashville, Tennessee. Experience the heart of country music with affordable or free activities like exploring the honky-tonks on Broadway, visiting the Country Music Hall of Fame, and enjoying live music at local venues. And finally, number 1, Washington, D.C. The nation's capital is a treasure trove of free attractions, including the Smithsonian Museums, the National Mall, and iconic landmarks like the Lincoln Memorial and the Washington Monument. There you have it, the top 20 best places to visit in the United States on a budget. From historic cities to breathtaking natural wonders, these destinations offer incredible experiences without emptying your wallet. So pack your bags, hit the road, and start exploring. Happy travels. And, oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and guides.